Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of my day in a day in the life of How Ines Rolls. I need to get going. So I've already taken Paul to work. My day starts off at 5 in the morning every single day because I have my Kobe. He goes to a school that all the high schools around here, they start at 7. So he has to be at a bus stop before 6 o'clock to get on a bus. So I have to do that with him every day. And then I took Paul to work. So it's been a little bit busy, but we have a car in the shop. So I am down to one car. So you can see that we are very busy. So I'm going to be doing carpool this week. So I'll take you along. Plus, I need to run to the store really quick because I have a really easy recipe that I want to do with you guys a little bit later. So we are on our way to do carpool. So it's about 7 or so, 7:30. Kids in middle school start at 8 around here. So here we go. Just dropped off the kids, so we're on our way to the store. Just running in. That's all I need. Apparently, Ezra doesn't like the cold aisles. Is that true, Ezzy? You don't like it? Ugh, it's so cold. We're just getting Mott's. Okay, here we go. So for this, I will buy shredded. So it's because it's a special recipe. Now is a good time to get some of these sales on the Easter candies. So maybe I'll let Ezra pick one. So I hope that this isn't too choppy, but I've been able to get to Vaughn's. Now we're on our way home. Ezra and I are going to do a little bit of homeschooling before I start work at 8:30. So whatever we don't finish before school, we'll do after school. Right, Ezra? Yep. Yep. Yay. Let's get going. So I just got home and I'm going to put my stuff away, but Ezra jumps right into his homeschooling stuff. So we have about 20 minutes before our friends come, our little friends. So I just wanted to be doing it downstairs so I can get some cleaning up done. And normally we go upstairs, but I think this will be okay. What do you think, Ezzy? You like it? And don't mind that. We are teaching about Earth Day in our class. So I have some things here to show what is recyclable. So like I said, this week, just for if you watched my haul, if I need things that are going to be quick and easy, and I saw this recipe, and I mostly had what I needed. Oops. Okay. So all I needed to get was a little bit more Mott's cheese and some ravioli. It's a cheese ravioli, so it's just going to be the Lazy Lasagna, or it's like a ravioli bake. So I thought that would be super easy. We already have some green salad that will be perfect for this, and I have, of course, garlic bread. So we're going to have that for dinner tonight. I have to go and pick up Paul from work, but I had some good news. I got an email from Isaiah that says that he is now in Virginia. I'm so excited. He said it's like all woodsy where he's at. So I can't wait to see pictures, and I hope to share some with you. But I can share a couple with you right here. But I'll try to send out some more, or show you some more as he sends me some too. But doesn't he look great? Makes my heart so happy. Okay, so let me finish up with some homeschooling, but do you want to see what I do for a living? I'll try to give you a little sneak peek. This is a typical morning for me. I've done group. Now the kids are working in the environment. I have 2 classes that are 2 hours each, so every day I work from 8:30 to 12:30, and this is pretty much what we do. Lots of lessons being had and lots of fun. Well, I'm all done with work, so I hope you liked that little snippet of our classroom. Did you see it, Ezra? It was all super fast, like going. So we're just gonna take a couple minutes and relax and just kind of do some straightening up upstairs. And I'm gonna be taking you along with us too. Ezra, where are we going?
The piano. He's
got piano class, so I thought I'd take you along with us. So hold on, let's go. So he just left piano, and he did such a good job, but he was a little rusty because we were on vacation last week. So he'll be really great next week, right, Ezra? Yeah. So we stopped by and got a little soda for us to share. But every time we go there, I fall asleep, and I think it's because I am forced to sit there. I can't like walk around her house or do anything. So if I sit still for a few minutes, apparently I fall asleep. And I thought for sure recording him, that would have alleviated that. Yeah, no, I still fell asleep. Now I'm gonna go get the kids from carpool and then get started on dinner. You wanna help me make dinner? Yeah, it's gonna be a good one. I just got done with carpool, and so now I need to get a head start on making dinner. I might be able to put it in the oven while I go pick up Paul. Can you see like where my life during carpool weeks are like go, 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 go. If I wasn't doing carpool, then right after work at 12:30, I would have about an hour, couple hours just to kind of, get things done or make more dinner or just get it more organized, maybe make videos and upload and things like that. So let me get my 9x13. This is such an easy recipe. I'm just going to put the link of this recipe in the description box below, but pretty much it's cheese, raviolis, and sauce, and you layer it. It's called ravioli bake or a lazy lasagna, which I kind of like that one too. So let me get all the ingredients and I'll just bring you along. Okay, so I'm just going to give this 9x13 a quick spray, and then I'm going to show you up close how easy this is. So I'm going to get my spoon, and like I said, all you need is some cheeses, but I also had some Parmesan cheese, so I'm kind of going to mix a little bit. So totally easy, just a bag of cheese ravioli, but I mean, they said in the directions or like suggestions, you could do like spinach or meat or whatever you kind of raviolis that you want, but I'm just going to do cheese. It's almost like a meatless Tuesday. That's not even a thing, but I can make it a thing. So I'm going to bring you closer. First, we're going to start off with a little sauce on the bottom. Even though I sprayed, that's okay. This is just going to give it a good flavor on the bottom of the raviolis. And then we're going to use about half of the bag. So I put down half, and then I put the other half. You can see it on the napkin there. So we're going to be putting about half this jar, about 3/4 of a cup, just kind of on top. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but I'm going to do my best to make it even. So easy. So this is the first time I've ever made this. Actually, Paul is trying to eat less gluten, which is a lot of bread product, which is good. I mean, it's better when you're trying, but I just thought this looked so easy and delicious. So I know the boys will really like it. I already have something in mind for Paul that's in the fridge. So yum, yum for him. He'll take care of that, and I'll take care of the boys. But I do have a salad that will go with this, so I know he'll have salad. And then we'll also serve this with garlic bread. So I know he won't have that. So you can see half. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. So easy, right, you guys? And then we're gonna repeat the process. So you know what I think I'll do is I will save some of this. Even if I have a little bit left, I will use it for Ezra's tortellinis. One day I have him have them for lunch. That way I don't have to open up a new jar. Oh, I'm so smart. Let me know in the comments what your favorite go-to sauce is, because we are loving this, but I would love to try some different flavored ones or some good suggestions. I could see why this is called the Lazy Lasagna. Oh goodness, this is smelling so good. And then it's the rest of the cheese, and that's it, you guys. This is going to bake for 30 minutes covered, and then 15 minutes uncovered. Ta-da! So I just put it in the oven. I'm gonna set the timer for delay cook, because I'm going right now to go get Paul from work, so that way I can time this perfectly so that it won't be too much of a wait for dinner. So we are a family that tends to have dinner around 4:30 every day, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna go get him and I'll be right back. I just got home from getting Paul, and you know what the worst thing is? It's one of the worst things. Traffic. Traffic was horrible. So let me just pull out the dinner and I'll show you what it looks like. I also have some garlic bread heating up in my air fryer, which is perfect for heating things up. But let me get out the dinner. Look at this. I know you wish you had smell-o-vision. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. So I'll be dishing up right now and getting salad on our plates as soon as that bread is done. So, wow. So good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. So I'll see what everybody else thinks. So good. So happy. You guys, what do you think?
I'm trying it.
Let's try it. You like that one? He was like, is there any meat in this? No meat.
Zero meat.
So all in all, I thought it tastes good. Ezra had a few bites. One of the other kids really liked it, and the other one said it had a good flavor, but didn't eat the rest of it. I just know our kids are pretty particular about cheese and too much of it. So this was actually a really cheesy meal, and it was very, very good. Had a good Italian taste, and I think I would make it again, but maybe for a different crowd. So thanks for stopping by, and give this video a thumbs up. Welcome to my day in the life, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.